Windows 11 is cooking my hardware for no reason. Alright, listen. I keep seeing people talk about this new start menu update. Like it's something big, some big breakthrough. Oh wow, you can resize it now. Oh look, you can hide the pin section. Buddy, the start menu is not the problem. The problem is the whole OS is trying to flame your hardware like it's auditioning for Hell's Kitchen. My Optiplex is sitting here literally doing nothing. I'm talking idle, no apps open, just vibes. And suddenly the fan goes full jet engine, like I just launched Cyberpunk on Ultra. Why? Because Windows 11 decided it needs to optimize my experience by running 17 background AI services, 3 telemetric collections, and a Chrome inside a Chrome start menu. And then Microsoft has the nerve to say, hey guys, we're listening to your feedback. We made the start menu more personal. Yeah. How about making my CPU less toasty, champ? They pushed that low latency patch, which basically silenced overclocking, to every machine. Gaming laptop, sure. Enterprise desktop, why not? 10-year-old Optiplex that's already hanging on by duct tape and a prayer? Send it! Now this poor CPU is like, I was built for spreadsheets, not this CrossFit routine you're forcing on me. And don't even get me started on the shell. Everything is WebView 2 now. The start menu is a browser. The taskbar is a widget. The browser, search browser. Your desktop is basically a Chrome tab with wallpaper. Meanwhile, Linux is over here like, hey, I'll run cool, quiet, stable, on the same hardware, no drama. And Windows is like, no, you will have AI, you will have cloud sync, you will have recommendations, you will have 100% CPU at idle, and you will like it. Yeah, so sure, Microsoft, fix the start menu, resize it, make it modular. Let me hide the profile picture. Cute. But maybe, just maybe, start the part where your OS is slowly cooking people's hardware, like a rotisserie chicken. Anyway, that's my rant. I'm going to go cool my PC down with a box fan and pray. I'll see you later. Like, follow, and subscribe for more. Have a good evening.